Arbitrum is expected to fall 13.4% by August 22, based on Gov Capital. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. Based on the latest data, Arbitrum has gained 8.2% since yesterday and is now near $0.09591. Here come 5 views from analysts. The model from CoinLore points to $0.0978 by August 22, a projected 2% increase. Traders Union believes Arbitrum could move downward toward $0.0938, a potential drop near 2.2%. 30 Rates notes it may drop towards $0.0922, an estimated fall of 3.9%. Another analysis released by Gov Capital points to Arbitrum drifting lower toward $0.08309, a loss estimated near 13.4%. And finally, CoinDataFlow points to $0.08154 by August 22, 15% below current value. This is the highest profit potential we've reviewed. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decrease of 15% and a rise of 2%, depending on the analyst. All in all, CoinDataFlow delivers the highest projected return with 15% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could make between $20 and $150 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability ranking, CoinLore holds the lead with a 82.2% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts in mind, I've assembled a consensus scenario. Consensus valuation marks Arbitrum around $0.08968. Let's dive into the numbers. According to the consensus, the price could fall by 6.5% by tomorrow. Stated plainly, your capital might rise by around 6.5% in accordance with that projection. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $65 of upside. In practical terms, the chance of the consensus forecast for Arbitrum proving accurate is around 32.7%. Let's shift our focus to how analysts view the 3-day outlook. The short-term signal from CoinLore is clearly bullish. Traders Union notes bearish momentum building up. 30 Rates emphasizes a bullish short-term scenario. Gov Capital anticipates downward movement in the near term. Similarly, CoinDataFlow expects downward momentum to persist. The consensus stance points to Arbitrum following a downward course over the next 3 days. At the end of the day, 60% of analysts lean bearish on Arbitrum. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago. Yesterday revealed how close they were. As a result, yesterday concluded with the price at $0.0909. With the price moving this way, only 2 analysts had it correct. The smallest error belongs to the forecast of crypto predictions. Now let's structure the results. None of the 5 forecasts were inside the day's range. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts, topped by crypto predictions at 16.3%. Here's the performance view, showing how each forecast did. The stats for CoinDataFlow show 69.7% forecast probability, $0.01053 accuracy, and 16.3% ROI. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Now let's take a closer look at how tomorrow's forecasted profitability differs between Arbitrum and the rest.